Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Welcome to this channel. Welcome and welcome. Thank you for always checking up the videos, like, comment, and sharing your opinion. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. If you are watching this channel for the very first time, this is JMS Media. Into graphic designing, but now I post more content on my Forex trading journey. If you will see a lot of videos that talk about Profem, the ones that passed, the way I've withdraw from them, the one I tried and I failed, and so those are things you will be seeing and I'll be sincere, pure, and true. You might have come across a lot of forex content if you are, it's a scam, it's not real. Forex trading is real, it's legit, it's a legitimate career. I won't say it was a job or it's a career. So it's a career that has a journey in it. It's not a sprint one, it's a marathon. So you give yourself time, you build momentum, you keep pushing and learn from your mistake, correcting it. So today actually for my email, well, how I want to share how I passed a 10K challenge of Maven's trading. Maven's trading. Maven is a proprietary firm trading company that give capital to tested and trusted traders to manage for them, and there is sharing formula of 80-20, whereby the trader take 80% of the profit made and the company take 20% of the profit made. And their pricing for each challenge is quite not expensive. It's not that expensive, it's still okay. But even if it's not even about the personal challenge, is about testing your skill, like having, oh, there's a particular draw that I must not reach in the day, so how can I manage myself to make profit and not breaking the rule? So for someone that is just building his or her momentum in trading, pro firm is a good idea to checkmate yourself. You understand? If you have your capital that you can blow anytime, it's fine, but you can leverage on pro firm just to test your skill, that okay, am I now disciplined? Can I manage my risk well? What can I put in place to make sure that I do not violate this rule? You understand? So it's actually a good ground to test your skill very well. So that I want to share you. I got a 10K challenge from this is it 70,600. That's the amount for the $4 cost in Naira. I bought it and this is the invoice from Maven. See, I got this account type Maven 10K one account that's for $44. And this is where I was given now. Okay, this is where my this one is still invoice. Where is the mail for? Okay, this is the login details for the account. So this is where I got the login details for the account. Then I was able to that was May 7. Then I was able to pass both phase 1 and phase 2 by May 9. So within 2 days, I've passed both phase 1 and phase 2. And here is my certificate of passing. You see, congratulations on the successful completion of your Maven Trading Challenge. We have reviewed your account and you have passed the account evaluation. You see, then I proceed to do my KYC because I've had an account with them before, because there was a time I passed a 5K account. So that time I did my KYC. So I already have my details with them. I did my KYC, then I made profit, but I couldn't get to the point of withdrawal because I later lost that account. You understand? So this my second time of passing their challenge, and I hope that I'll be able to get to the withdrawal stage. But so far, the company has been good and been easy to access and work with. For me, they now have MetaTrader 5. Before it was just only what's it called? What's it called again? What's the name? Okay, it was only match trader and seed trader, but now they now have MetaTrader 5. So the 5K account for the two phase costs $44, for three phase 34, for single phase 38. But for me, I still prefer this 44 because of the trading condition. It's more okay to me than all this two. You also have a start account, but for me, you don't buy the start account. I still prefer the two phase challenge. You understand? So that is that. And here is my dashboard. Currently on the live account. See, this is the live account. I'm on a drawdown, and that happened yesterday. It was so annoying. This is my analysis for that yesterday. It's a good call. I was on the buy already, but I just messed up my own personal psychology because the gold was ranging crazily that yesterday. So the fear of, oh, I don't want to lose this, do that. I jumped out of the buy. I was looking to sell, and I just messed up my psychology yesterday, and I ran up to this particular loss. Where it? Oh, I've closed it. Sorry. Let me log in. So I ran into this loss is huge. So come next week, I must recover this before I can have a hope of making profit. So I hope and I pray that I'll be able to recover it. Then I'll do my best to recover it so that I can get to the point of making withdrawal. And I'll surely come back to this channel to update you if I was able to make withdrawal from this 10K account or not. Without just the journey, let me show you how I passed the where is the first phase. Okay, this is the phase one, and this is how I got to pass it. I was you see the chart, you see I was on drawdown before, almost hitting drawdown, and I was able to recover back to the target profit. I don't know why it's not loading the variable. Come down to trading overview, you'll see it. See everything green, and this is the main, just one trade helped me to pass the first one. Just one trade. I just logged in on that, and I was able to pass. Then the phase two, I think this should be the phase two. Is that, let it load up. It's loading now. I want to see the phase two. Okay, yeah, this is the phase two. See 500, and to make 500 on the account, I was able to make it. And that one, I know I had the first trade was 432. Then the next one, stand, initially I had some loss. See loss. I had this huge loss initially before I now recover and later make this profit to pass the phase two. Then I got the funded account, which is this, and currently I'm on a huge drawdown on it, huge drawdown, and that's a mistake on my part. Now I'm on the funded stage. I don't need to rush it. You understand? I shouldn't rush it. Imagine only yesterday I took 10 trade. That's bad, and it's not even my style of trading. But when that's what happens when you allow market to get into your psychology. When the market gets into your psychology, you become messed up, and at the end of the day, you will start making irrational decisions and lead to mistakes. Taking 10 trades, that's not cool in just a single day. So that's what later led me to huge loss, which is, oof, it's not good at all. Because if I'm just using small lot size, at the end of the day, I still have like 2 weeks before I can request for withdrawal. So I have a lot of time to still trade with small lot size, and I will still be able to make my profit and calm down. You understand? But it happens at times. Emotion, all this thing comes into play. So I just hope and pray that come this week I'll be able to recover and get into profit. So that's just it. That's Maven platform. That's how I've been able to pass. And very soon I'll be showing you how I made withdrawal. Hopefully, it's probability. I can't say of certainty. So that's just what I want to share with us. I hope we've learned one or two from this discussion. So it's very important that, especially when it comes to profit, when you are the challenge phase, you can decide that okay, for the sake of you want to pass, maybe you want to do the risk on 50-50, if the work it was or not, or maybe you want to manage your risk or something like that. But when you get to the founder stage, you can reduce your risk drastically so that you know that any amount you make, you are going to withdraw. Imagine making $800 in the first phase. Imagine it's real, like it's the founder stage you are, you make 800. It's a lot of money. In Nigeria currency, that's over 1 million, over 1 million naira. $800 over 1 million naira. So now you manage now make that. So why not just calm down when you get to the first stage and reduce your risk? So this is a key lesson I've learned again. I've learned in the past, but no, until you start paying serious attention, key attention to some things, you might still keep repeating the same mistake. So, and here is my chart so far. This is my current analysis on SAUSD. That's good. Currently, I'm trying to major on SAUSD. Though my two major pair I trade is GU, that's Great Britain pounds, and on gold, that's SAUSD. Those are the two pairs I trade majorly. And you will see in my trades here, you'll see that all what you are seeing is just SAUSD. That's the only thing I'm focusing on, especially on this account. And that's what I traded to pass both phase one and phase two. I didn't trade any other pair, SAUSD. So I'm still going to hold on to it and pass, and I know I'll be making reasonable withdrawal soon. Soon. So in trading is a journey, marathon. Don't give up. Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. And one of the so let me just break down my analysis a bit. Now there's a spike here that pushed the price down. Initially it was on a serious uptrend, and the overall view of the market is still an uptrend. Without even drawing any line or doing anything, you can see clearly that is an uptrend. You stand, and the market is an uptrend. But there came a point in the market whereby it got pushed out at almost at 3,400. The market pushed back down and come back to test the level it has broken, which is this. So yesterday I was not really on chart, and that's another mistake that we can try to correct. When you do not see your chart clearly, don't just be hyped to jump into trade, to execute trade on your executing platform. That's MetaTrader 5 or whatever platform you are using. So try and see what the chart is saying clearly before you jump on it. So yesterday in the morning, early hour of yesterday, I was on a I was on a sell, cutting like $100 plus profit, but I held on that oh it will get to this particular point, stuff like that. I was hoping that I was projecting 3250 for my TP on that sell, but market reversed suddenly, and God, I was like okay. So immediate market pulled back up, and I knew there's a change in direction, and all this just a pullback to test this trend level which it has broken before. Just a break and retest of the level. So going down to lower time frame, you see on 50 time frame. So I plot in my um buy position, and I waited. The market has broken up here. I waited for it to come and retest. Now I entered and I was moving in profit, recovering the initial loss that I had. So I was moving profit, but there came this psychology issue, and I would so by the time this was pulling back, I just quickly stopped out thinking to start buying, and that's where I started messing up things for myself, which should do. If I've held on to this movement, I would have made a whole lot, yes, at least $400 I would have made in profit. At least 400 I would have made in profit. So that is very important that you trust your analysis, trust your skill. and just immediately pick a particular direction in the market, you know what to lose before you enter it. Just let market do its thing. You've calculated your risk already. Oh, I'm risking $100 on this particular trade. Let the market do its thing. And you have or maybe it's 1 to 2 ratio, that is, if I'm risking 100, I want to make 200, or if I'm risking 100, I want to make at least 3 or 400. Then just let the market do its thing. And the worst you could do for yourself is break even. For example, now, as market has gone this much in my direction, if I just, okay, let me say I want to protect my capital, I could have broke even somewhere here, or let me say just there. You understand? I have broken even and just wait. Oh, okay, let me see what will happen, what the market would do. Will it take me out? You understand, that kind of thing? Then that would have been fine. But there are times the market will take you out and start going your direction. So you might want to do, okay, I'm holding on to the final TP, depending on how your mental strength and how your understanding of the market, your confidence in the position you have taken is. So I hope you learn one or two. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share. I would like to hear your opinion, hear your view, and share something with me as well. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.